Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add fog in Snapseed. Snapseed does not have a specific tool for adding fog effects directly on your snap, but you can create fog-like effect using the available tools in the app. So first of all, go ahead and open the Snapseed application. Once you open up the app, tap on the plus button to import the image from your device's library or take a picture right now from your camera. Once you select a picture for yourself, go ahead and tap on the Tools option at the bottom of the screen. Now from the Tools option, scroll down and tap on Double Exposure. Inside the Double Exposure menu, go ahead and tap on the image icon at the bottom left with a plus in it. Now, you will need to go ahead and select an image, which could be of a fog or mist that you've downloaded or taken yourself. Once you select the fog image, adjust the opacity of the fog layer using the opacity slider. Go to the bottom right menu and tap on this little dewdrop kinda like icon and decrease or increase the slider in order to choose the intensity of the fog or mist that you've chosen. Experiment with the slider and choose your effect. After applying the fog effect, you may want to refine it further. Tap on the little eraser kinda icon at the bottom and then choose from the options from lighten, darken, add, subtract, overlay, and much more. Soon after you do that, after getting satisfied with the result, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right and you will be able to apply the fog effect on your Snapseed photo. Save or export your edited image like you normally do, and that is how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.